Hey guys, good morning. Welcome once again to another wonderful spiritual tip. If you have this problem of losing your blessings in a dream, anytime good things is about to happen to you, you will have a dream, and inside that dream, you will make love to either woman or man. And after doing that, you will find out that those things, those your blessing that is coming your way, those good things that is coming your way will no longer reach your hand. You will have problem. You will no longer achieve those good things that is coming your way. If you have this problem, I want you to relax and watch this video to an end, because in this video I'm going to teach you how you can stop that from happening anymore in your life. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, so if you have this problem of losing your blessings in a dream, okay, anytime you are expecting good things, like if you're a contractor and you are expecting to have a contract, or you're expecting something good that week or that month into your life, anytime you go to bed to sleep, you have a dream of you sleeping with either woman or man. And after that dream, you find out that those things will no longer come your way. Those good things will no longer come your way. This is what you need to do. Okay, you need to do this fast. You don't need to waste time. Okay, you need to get a plain white paper. You need to get a plain white paper. Use a marker. Use a marker. Use a blue marker, not red. Use a blue marker. Write your name on that plain paper. Write it 5 times. Okay, write your name 5 times on that plain marker. Write it 5 times. After writing it 5 times, you get your sea salt. Okay, you get your sea salt. Now when you get your sea salt, you are going to open that sea salt. Open the sea salt and pour it on top of that white pepper. Okay, this spiritual assignment, you will do it before you sleep. You will do it before you sleep. Anytime you want to go to bed, that is when you are going to carry out this spiritual assignment. Pour in that sea salt on top of that white pepper. Okay, and use that white pepper and pray. You say that, God, whoever that is coming in my dream to take away my blessings, whatever spirit that is coming in my dream to take away my blessing, come in form of man or woman to take away my blessing, that you are terminating it. Make sure you pray. Make sure you say something. Okay, as you are holding that. Now, after saying that prayer, after saying your prayers, after saying your mind, saying your prayers, you are going to wrap that white pepper. You don't wrap it outside. You wrap it inside. Just watch as I wrap it. Okay, you start from outside to wrap it inside. You wrap it like this. You wrap it first one. You wrap it second one. You wrap it third one. You wrap that pepper 3 times. Okay, 3 times. Make sure it does not exceed 3 times. You just wrap it up 3 times. Now, after wrapping it up 3 times, go under your pillow, and place that white pepper. Then sleep. Okay, leave that pepper there. Leave that pepper there, and be sleeping on that bed until you achieve that which you have been expecting. Okay, until you achieve that which you have been expecting. Because if you remove that pepper there, you may have that dream again, and you will lose that thing. Okay, this is strictly for people that are expecting something. Like if you have given somebody your account number for the person to give you money, or you are expecting a job, you have submitted quotation and you want to achieve that, do this and you achieve whatever thing that you are expecting within that week or that month. Okay, so make sure you practice this before you sleep. It's very, very important. If you're expecting good thing, make sure you practice this and you see how it will work. Okay, so make sure you do it. If you have any question you want to ask regarding the video, use the comment section. Okay, and if you want to talk to me, chat me up with the number showing on the screen. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.